I know some of you are already wondering why I'm making this video. This is because yesterday I decided to watch GoTV because after being active for the whole year, I decided to have a realization moment today. So when I picked up my GoTV to subscribe, I discovered that I'm seeing this warning sign on it. So I looked up on internet to see if I can find some solution. So I managed to put a couple of ideas together, then tried it out and it worked for me. So I said, let me share the information with you. So this is what I did. First of all, I removed the power cable. Then before the DSTV boot or like before I put the power cable back, I have to press the P plus. That is the P plus on the GoTV board. When I pressed it, then I plug in the power cord back. Then on boot, then pay attention, very close attention to the screen. You will see somewhere they're written code. Just wait a moment. Now, that code is because I'm holding down the P plus. Then I will use the P minus to navigate. The P minus stands for 0. So I'll press it 3 times. Then press the P plus again once. That is it. That's how 0011 on the screen. Now I'll give it time to download the latest software. Because normally this process is supposed to be automated, but technology can never be that perfect. So they have some bug, and this is the only way you can fix it. There are two methods I learned. So I'm sharing the two methods with you right now. So allow the software to propagate, then it will download. Now I should leave it to download to 100%, then to get the newer model for this GoTV to operate on. But as I was enough, like I was in a hurry to see the boot method, how they work. So I wouldn't allow this to download to the end. Even though it said I shouldn't interrupt the process. I just want to see if the boot method are actually working. So I'll allow this to move for a while. Let me see the efficiency. Then if it's not fast, then I will stop it on the way. Let's wait. All right, looks like it's taking so much time. Like 11 minutes have been spent already, and it's still moving slow. So let me remove it and try the second method. Now, this second method requires me removing the antenna, which I've already did. Then I unplug the power cable. Then, unplugging back the power cable, it should bypass that upgrade software screen. It will bypass that upgrade software screen. Now, it will boot without that one message. I'm not holding any key. It's just like that. So it should boot to the main screen. Let's give it some time to boot. Okay. All right. From this point, the stations are loaded without the upgrade screen. Right now, there's no signal, so I just have to plug back the antenna and let's see if it will show. Okay. So let's try that for a moment and see how it goes. All right. As you can see, the channels are working and everything is perfect. So, but I will still advise you to repeat the first process and allow it to complete.